Okay, so this is 2026 Chevy Trax. We're going into 12 minutes wait. I mean, we're already quarter way over there, and now it's gotta put the key in the console. The guy lost his key, and 2026 Chevy Trax should be no dealer tool. And we'll see how it progresses when we come right back. Okay, we're back. Establishing vehicle communication. Let's see what it tells us to do. Okay. Ready for remote 3. Press start. Once it took the remote. Meaning that it took the remote configuration. 10 seconds. There we go. 10 seconds. Another configuration. Complete. Do you want to match another key? No. Switch the ignition off. Okay. 10 seconds. That's probably taking it out of programming. Release. Start button. Press OK. Configuration. Okay, it lights up. Switching the ignition off. Open the closet door. Remove the key. Press lock and unlock together. And that's it. Programming is complete. Is there another key to be synchronized? No. Number of keys matched 3. Okay. Matching complete. Okay. Exiting system. We're good to go. Alright, let's make sure everything works. Remote starts. Remote shut off. '26 Chevy Trax.